Cutting long hair straight requires attention to detail to avoid unevenness. Whether cutting your own hair or someone else's, it's essential to start with detangled, straightened hair, adjusting for natural curl or wave by cutting slightly longer if needed. For a self-cut, pull hair into a low ponytail, securing it with multiple elastics to create tension and guide your cut. Ensuring you cut below the lowest elastic with sharp shears. If cutting someone else's hair, dampen it. Gather the top 3/4 into a bun and use a guide strand from the loose hair, sliding your fingers down parallel to the floor and carefully cutting with professional shears. Always measure subsequent sections against the already cut hair, keeping strands close to the person's back to maintain an even, straight cut.